How to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi calling on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on Wi-Fi calling. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Wi-Fi calling. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose the Wi-Fi calling preference. You can choose Wi-Fi preferred or mobile network preferred. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.